Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. For today, I wanted to show you how to glam up your shoes. So if you'd like to learn how, please keep watching. So to get started, you're going to need various beads. I just got various beads that did match with the color shoe that I got, which was a pink shoe. So I got some pink crystal beads. I got some white crystal beads, as you can see here, very shimmery and very vibrant as well. And then I also got some colors to contrast. So I also got like this brown kind of shimmery color. It's kind of brown and mauve. I thought it would mix it really well. So any colors that you like, just anything that would go well with the shoe that you have. I also got this bead fix gel. This one will stay on forever, so it's really highly recommended. Then I got these pink shoes, which are really cute. So I'm going to be doing bedazzling on the heel part right here and also on the front as well. So let's get started. So what you're going to do first is you're going to separate all the beads and put them into this little box. You can use anything nearby. If you have a bowl, anything that you have. I just had this little carton nearby. So because of that, I used that to fill up with all the beads. So I'm just removing them from the strings right now. That way I can just grab them and apply them very easily. I'm now taking some of the bead fix gel and I'm applying just a little bit and taking one of the beads and I'm going to just start applying them. I don't really have a certain method or pattern that I'm following. I'm just kind of putting them wherever I choose, wherever I see fit that would mix well. I didn't want them sticking out too far above the material, but I did want them to kind of blend really well, so that's why I'm kind of mixing and matching and just applying a few on. So as you can see here, I applied a crystal one here. Now I'm applying some more gel and I'm going to take a few more, and now I'm applying one of the darker tone beads and I'm just applying that right next to it. I kind of wanted to mix and match to give a nice different contrast and feel throughout the shoe. So just continue on doing this, applying more of the bead fix gel and then applying more of the beads right on top. And again, you can do any pattern any way that you like. I'm just applying a nice little longer strip right now, and then I'm applying some more beads. So again, any color you like, any color that you kind of want to mix and match, just to make it more fun and more vibrant. So I'm just going to speed this up so you can see the whole process. I did use some tweezers as well for some of them. Just beware, because if it gets stuck to your hand, it will really get stuck on your hand. This glue is no joke and it really sticks, which is really good for the application as well. So just continue on and you can just mix and match as I said and just go along. Okay, so now I'm just adding the final touches. As you can see, I got to the end. I didn't want to go all the way down because I didn't want the beads to rub up against each other while I'm walking or onto something else. So I tried to keep it about like a ½ an inch up, and I just finished the beads right at the end right there, as you can see. So now I'm going to move on to the next part of the shoe. And here you can see the front of both of the shoes as it's finished. So now it's going to just set to dry. Okay, so now moving on to the heel of the shoe. So I'm just applying a strip of the gel all the way down. This will make it easier, that way I can just grab beads and just place it along the line. So I'm just applying one by one. And once again, just be careful because this gel is really sticky and it'll really stay in place quickly. So again, just placing it sporadically, you know, wherever you do see the pattern fits and as you wish as well. Just make it fun and make it, you know, just your own as well. Okay, so now just going down the line, I'm just applying them with a tweezer as well, just to get a better overall grip of the bead, and placing it where I do desire. Just hold it in place for just a second and then let go, and then it's already attached. So I'm just continuing this all throughout the heel, and again, no specific pattern, just applying it where I see fit and where I think would be best, and applying more gel if needed as well. Okay, so after I've attached all the beads into the heel, this is the finished result. So as you can see, it really adds a great dimension to the shoe. It really makes it pop, and it's so much more vibrant than it was just before. And this is just makes it really fun, I think, and makes it really, you know, unique in your own. So as you can see here, this is both the front and the back of the shoe, so you can see the strip in front as well as the heel. And now you just have to set them to dry. I did set them for overnight and that was more than enough. This is the end result. I hope that you did enjoy this tutorial. As you can see, this is where I wore it for a photo shoot, which was so much fun. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.